Why then was it necessary to imprison Mr. Morarji Desai, who then became Prime Minister of India? Was he an economic threat to the state?
No, these were the people who were destroying democracy.
Destroying democracy?
Destroying democracy.
How?
Because, well, I'm sorry that you people have such short memories, but because they felt they could not win an election, they said we must take the battle to the streets. Mr. Morarji Desai is on record in an interview having said, we are going to surround the Prime Minister's house, we are going to surround Parliament, we will see that no business is done. That the Prime Minister cannot come out, nobody can go in. Another member of the opposition, now a minister, said that if we cannot win by the ballot, we shall win by the bullet. Somebody else incited the police and the army.
That was J.P. Narang, who said disobey illegal orders. He said, why couldn't you have taken, why could I just ask you, why couldn't you have used the law that you already had available to you to arrest these people if they were breaking the law?
I'm afraid, you see, India is not a small country like the UK. It is a very big country and very complex problems. And in the whole country, they had created an atmosphere of extreme indiscipline, so that somebody like Mr. Galbraith said it seems to be a functioning anarchy, but it was not functioning, it was becoming an non-functioning anarchy. And at that moment, if we had not stopped it, India would not have survived.
जंतर मंतर पर जो कुछ भी हुआ, देश और दुनिया ने देखा। कुछ शरारती बच्चों ने भद्दी भद्दी गालियां बोली, किसी भी सभ्य समाज को शोभा न दे ऐसे शब्दों का प्रयोग किया गया। मुझे तो गालियां दी गई, मेरी स्वर्गीय माता को भी गालियां दी गई। न जाने कितना भद्दा स्वरूप था, लेकिन मैं आज बात करना चाहता हूं कि बचपन में गलतियां होती हैं और बचपन में गलतियों से सुधरने का अवसर भी होता है, और यही तो बचपना है। और इसलिए मैं समाज के अंदर जो आक्रोश है उसको भली भांति समझ सकता। एक कल्चरल शॉक है कि हमारी बेटियां इस प्रकार की भाषा कैसे बोल सकती, लेकिन समय है इन बच्चों को गले लगा करके राह दिखाने का। एक गुमराह बच्चे हैं, उनको राह दिखाना हमारा काम है। उनको सजा देना, अदालतों के चक्कर कटवाना, समाज में उनको प्रताड़ित करना, इससे हम परिस्थितियां नहीं बदल पाएंगे। मैं उन्हें माफ करना चाहता हूँ। समाज भी मेरी इस बात को स्वीकार करे, क्योंकि